Yes, you can note down these points which I am telling you regarding the note making. Please note them down. First thing, read the passage. Who is talking over there? Who's talking? Simran, please get up. Please get up. And the girl with you, get up, both of you. Get up and come over here. Change your seat. Hurry up. That's Japish. Yes, Japish and Simran, move here. And Akshay, quiet. बेटा जितनी तुम बातें करोगे उतना मैंने डिले करनी है तुम्हारी फुल ब्रेक. And until I don't finish the topic, I'm not leaving you. So you are responsible. It's entirely up to you. Is it so difficult to keep quiet? I think so 5 times I've asked you. And Harsimran and Japish, why are you not getting up? What's your problem? Move fast. So have you read the passage? Okay. After reading the passage, just think about, yes, give a suitable title to the passage, right? Then here, what am I going to do? I'm going to make headings, subheadings, right? Using phrases or short sentences. Okay? I will use abbreviations. I will cover the complete content. Yes, here. First of all, what are you going to do? You're going to read the passage. Okay, read it. Select a suitable title for the passage. Note down, please. You're going to make headings, subheadings, right? Your subheadings will be short phrases and short sentences. Okay. And as I make my, subheadings and headings, I am going to use abbreviations, okay? Commonly recognizable abbreviations. Fine. I will cover the complete content which is given in the passage. So cover the complete content, right? I will not include quotations, right? It is not a part of note making. After note making, I will make a key, right, which tells me the abbreviations which I have used, and then I will write a very short summary. So today we're going to discuss this, okay? I will be discussing one sample note making with you all. After that, I will also share one more example with you of a solved passage of note making. Now, the basic idea of note making is I have a lot of information in front of me. I want to note down the important points. That's it. Okay. This is very useful when you're noting down your lectures, when you have to compile information. You go to the library, you're referring a number of books and journals, right? You're doing a lot of gathering of information, right? So what is important, what is relevant, you can note it down this way. Fine. Yes. So when you go for higher studies, it is there a lot of books are referred, right? You might use the library. Now we use the library for our sample papers and things like that. There, your library would be used for making notes, which you would be using for your preparation. Okay, right? Have you read the passage? Okay, this I found, I have given maybe one of the easiest passages that I could give to you. This is a very simple, informative passage. and making notes for informative passage, it is there very easy, right? There are others also, like ones that you have as a narrative or an experience, they become a little difficult, but yes, we need an idea how to write down the note making. So that is why I have shared this with you all. Have you read the passage? Yes. Krish, what is your problem? What is your problem? So please, here we are going to listen quietly and be attentive. And I'm just asking you for your silence and attention for today. Okay? Otherwise, I know how talkative you are. Yeah, Deepak is saying yes, ma'am. So I've given the title. Yes, I write down the word title. Okay? Now suggest a title for this passage. Yes, Ananya, have you read it? Yes, Himanshu, what's the title? Carbon dioxide is that? Okay. Okay. Greenhouse effect. Fine. No? Carbon dioxide and greenhouse effect. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes, here, please. Get up from here. Come here. No, you come here. So here, one word, avoid giving one word, a title for the passage. Okay, so it could be carbon dioxide and, is it carbon cycle? No. So carbon dioxide, it's right. Now here, I know in the exam, you will not take out so much of time to think of suitable title. So one word titles you are going to give, right? So yes, so here it is, we are Purav, shut up now. Silence. 10 minutes are over and I have not been able to do 2 sentences with you all. और घर जाके ये रिकॉर्डिंग सब देखना और अपने पेरेंट्स को भी दिखाना. I'm sharing it in the parents group today. This is how well behaved you are. Shame on you. In your regular period only you can't listen to the teacher. So carbon dioxide, its importance, I've given this title, okay, right? Now, after that, I am going to make headings and subheadings, okay, right? So here, it is very easy here. This is, I told you, a very basic, simple paragraph I have chosen for you all so that you will understand how to do note making, right? Sometimes there are just 3 paragraphs there and a lot of content is there. So we will divide the content according to its relevance, right? According to the idea which is shared there. Okay, right? So here, let us look at the first paragraph. Can I give it a heading? Title is for the whole paragraph. Heading is for the individual paragraphs, right? So can I give it here? Now I can make my heading here. Now look here. There are ways I can write it as A, right? It can be 1. So, and my further subheadings here, it can be 1, 2, 3, It can be again A, B, C, D, whatever. Fine. This is my title. Now I give my heading. I write A, or for your convenience, I'm writing 1 also. So you know both ways. Now, what is it? Our Earth is like a greenhouse with one difference. A greenhouse is encased in glass, while the Earth is encased in a thin blanket of carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide serves the same function for the Earth as does glass for a greenhouse. It helps to keep the Earth warm. Scientists call it the greenhouse effect. Never mind. No, we're not using bullets. It's not here. So I have, like yes, here, give a proper heading to it, okay? And then I start here, right? What can I give? I can give very good. So greenhouse effect. Then I finish over here. Start from here, like yes. So I give 1. Then what is there? What are the main points in the first paragraph? Earth is like a greenhouse, right? Greenhouse encased in glass, while the Earth is encased in a blanket of carbon dioxide. Okay, right? So carbon dioxide encases the Earth. Fine. Second is or yes, here too keeps Earth warm. Third, covers like a blanket. Notice down, please. Notice down. This is my title. Okay. This is my heading. What are these? These are my subheadings. If I want to make in the passages which I am going to give you later, if I want to make subheadings, subheadings also I can make. I have not written carbon dioxide completely. I have used CO2, right? I have used its chemical, right? And it is not necessary. I keep on writing carbon dioxide again. Word which is repeated, the word which I know it is going to occur again and again in the passage, I have used its abbreviation. Here in this case, it is its chemical formula, right? Okay, now let's come to the next paragraph. Yes. It covers like a blanket, right? I've written it here, okay? And yes, it's a very simple, easy thing, and we're able to write it correctly and nicely. Scoring full marks is not a big issue, right? And in note making, what matters a lot is your presentation. Noted down this, okay? Right? Can I come to the next paragraph? Give me a heading for the next paragraph. Right, okay. I'm erasing this. No issues. Next is B. What is it? Amount of carbon dioxide in the air is the percentage of carbon dioxide is kept almost constant. We call it the carbon cycle. So I can give here, right? Yes, I can use this. Yes, because here C is a carbon, right? Okay. Then once again, numbering. You can do it as B also, right here, like your A, B, C also, 1, 2, 3 also. It's perfectly acceptable. Okay, right? But here, remember, if this is your page, this is your title, this A is your heading, these are your subheadings. Okay, so I want all this outside the margin. You're not writing this in the margin. 8 marks. 8 marks. A and subheadings minimum 3. Minimum 3 subheadings are required. Headings also minimum 3, right? And as many as you like, but you will learn as you practice. Don't waste too much of time in making too many headings. Okay, so the carbon cycle. Give me the first subheading. Yes. So CO2 is 0.3%, right? Then all life is 0.3%. All life depends. Oh, it's 0.03. Okay. All life depends on it. Then, yes, kept constant by C cycle. Fine. I've covered all the information. Yes. Now let's move to the next one. C part. Give me the heading. Carbon dioxide is added to the atmosphere by 2 main processes, breathing and burning. All living things breathe out carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The air breathed in contains only 0.03% carbon dioxide, where the air breathed out contains 4%. Breathing leads to increased amount of carbon dioxide. Also, large quantities of carbon dioxide produced by burning of wood, coal, and oil. So, it is addition of CO2. Is it? Addition and removal? Right? If you want to? Yes or no? So we're talking about addition here only. We're talking about breathing and burning. Why are you not writing? You have a problem in writing, Harsimran? What about you? On your notebook. It can't fit over here. It will not fit on the back of the passage. You need to write in your notebook. And you'll wonder that how your note making is bigger than the passage. Okay? So how is addition of carbon dioxide? Yes. Breathing and burning. Yes, class. Gurkirat. Addition of CO2. Process क्या? Process of addition. Addition भी ठीक है. You can write your heading. Whatever you think is relevant, fine. Not necessarily you have to stick to mine. Write yours. Yes, air breathed in 0.03% CO2, right? Fine. Here in this, I can make my subheadings also. Air out, breathe in or air out. It contains how much? 4% CO2. Okay. Then so addition by burning wood, coal, oil. Now please note down as I'm writing, I can you see this? Is it visible? Last is addition by burning wood, coal, oil. Please note down how I have written addition. Okay. I have written it like this. Okay. Fine. Next one, can I write the D one? Or you'd like to write it? You tell me D part now. Shall I rub this? Please note down fast, fast. Done, Navya. Very good. Tell me D1. Give me a heading of D. Okay, very nice. It is removal of right? I don't have to write each and every line and each and every word which is there in the passage given. I should be very clear about the information that I am trying to convey. Khushi, are you writing? Can you bring a notebook here? No? Why not? क्योंकि हम लिख नहीं रहे हैं. Right? Removal, photosynthesis, plants. What else? How is it removed then? Yes, written. What about you, Ramnik? When are you going to start writing? What is your problem? Kunal, why are you not writing? Your hand is hurting. Fine, done. Removal. Carbon dioxide is by water also. This gas is, right? Because I have done this also, I want to write a little more. I can also say removal by water. Okay, right? Retain CO2, release O2. Fine. Okay. Now I have written A, B, C, D, E headings. I have written the subheadings also, right? And I have tried to keep that every heading has at least 3 subheadings. Now, when I write down the subheadings, I have used abbreviations. right? Words that are used again and again, I have used abbreviations for it. Words which are, I think, I don't want to write the complete word. I have used maybe chemical, the name for it, the symbols for it. Yes. I have also reduced some words. Yes. I've written H2O. I've written, I put in this plus sign also somewhere. Yes, here. Yes. I have written addition also here. Written or not? One thing, I have not written long, lengthy, grammatically correct sentences. Please note down, I have not used, and even you will not use, do not write long, lengthy, grammatically accurate sentences. The best part of note making is you can be grammatically incorrect and even then you will get marks. Yeah? सब कुछ किसके? You will get marks for this. You will get marks because this is the basic concept, underlying concept of note making. Okay? Yes. I have not started here. Yes, that the process of photosynthesis, right, in plants is a step of removal. I have reduced the sentence. It's understood. I've given the heading. And that heading clarifies everything what I have written. Are we listening? Are you sure? Okay, someone is talking and it doesn't sound nice. Okay, let's be attentive for a while. It's a very important topic. It's going to come in your test. And it's easy also. This passage is easy. Wait till I give the other one. Right? This is the easiest I could give you. Then I'll give you the, now I have done this. I've covered all my information. There's no need to write extra stuff because it is not going to. No need to make the margins. No, it's not done. I have done all this. Now comes the next part. What are, we've done this, it's not over. A part, note making. Or rather, B part, A is your title. Here comes your abbreviation, key, right? D is your summary. I have done this, I have done this. Now I'm coming to the key part. After I have done my note making, what am I going to do? I will make key. Yes, please note down. Please note down. Your note making is incomplete if all the steps are not done. Ramneek, are you listening? No, we're not listening. And then the exam, we're going to leave this question because we don't know what to do. I write abbreviation. Then I write the word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many I've used? Minimum 5 abbreviations I have to use. Okay, let's see. Have I written 5? Navya, please stand up and just tell me the abbreviations used. Underline the abbreviations in your note making. Underline and write down the first one is CO2. So I write the word. What is the word? Right. Next is H2O. That is, I've written O2, oxygen. I've written this. This is, then C cycle. Very good. Okay. So C cycle is a carbon cycle. Anything else? I put a plus sign also. Yes. Okay, I've written that also. 7, I've written AQ, that is aquatic. Fine. So I have 6, 7 abbreviations. Yes. हाँ? तुमने लिखने ना? बिल्कुल लिख कर आने. Now here, ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता कि तुम नहीं यूज करो abbreviations. You will be using abbreviations. क्या? Minimum. Yes, please, Sir Simmer, please, quiet. Minimum 3 headings. हर एक heading में 3 subheadings. Key abbreviation minimum 5 abbreviations. Right? We're not leaving now. Please wait. Please wait. Wait. Right? Done this? If you keep quiet, I'll finish in 5 minutes. So this is here, done. Then comes why are we getting up? Avneet, have I finished? Get back to your seat. Right here. Yes, I will continue just for 5 minutes because your teacher is there waiting outside. And yes, first of all, I thought I would have sent you a message in the morning that I'm going to take the 5th period also. But I didn't want to give you a shock in the morning. So I'm giving you a shock now. So summary, what is the summary? Your basically here, what is this paragraph about? Megha, can you tell me what the passage is about? Yes? Can you speak a few lines which are there about the passage? Listen to her. The passage is about carbon dioxide and it's important in the atmosphere, right? And in sustaining life, right? Yes, how is carbon dioxide added to the atmosphere? By breathing and burning, and it is removed by photosynthesis, right? And so for survival, plants and animals are dependent on each other. Yes, and aquatic animals also use the dissolved carbon dioxide. And when the plants and animals, they die and the bodies decompose, the carbon is added or released back, isn't it? And this is the carbon cycle. This is your summary. What is your summary? What the passage is about. Okay, right? Clear or not? Wait a minute, wait.